Video I am going to explain how to calculate the rank correlation coefficient for equal ranks. It's going to be an interesting topic, and please pay your time and attention towards this video so that you will be benefited. Concentrate while giving the ranks and be very careful and conscious. Then you can get the solution very easily. And let's get into the today's video. See here, when you get an equal ranks or the repeated ranks, Spearman gave a formula for the rank correlation quotient. For finding the rank correlation quotient, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times of sigma d square plus m cube minus m by 12 plus m cube minus m by 12 plus and so on, divided by n cube minus n. So what is this m here? M is the number of items where the ranks are common, and n are the number of observations here. So here is the question. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. See here X series are given and Y series are given. So first of all, we have to carefully give the ranks, and we have to make a subtraction, and we have to make a squares out of this, and we have to make a summation, and we have to substitute in the formula. So it is so simple. So please concentrate on giving the ranks. So here are the X series from the question, and here are the Y series here. So what is the highest number here? So among these are all 6, 7, 5, 6, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6. So among this 8 is the highest one. First we have to place it or name it with a pencil here so that you can erase the ranks. So 80 is finished. So here the first rank I have given this for 1. So the first rank is for 80. And the next one here is among 7 you have to check. These are all 6. This is 7. So here this is a 7. So here this is a 7. So here these two are equal. So immediately, so you have to concentrate that these two are equal. So if you get an ranks, so you have to share the ranks. So this is already 1. So this will be 2 and 3. So among these two you have to make an average. See here, this is 2 and 3. So average will be, this will be 2 plus 3 by 2. This is 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. The average rank is to be shared between these two. So this is 2.5 and this value is 2.5. Clear? And the next thing here is, the next thing after 7 here is we have to go with 6. So you have to check the 6. So here is 6. So here is 6, here is 6 and here is 6. The next rank will be, so here till 3 it is completed. So this one is the highest one. So I'll place it as 4. So this rank is 4 here. Clear? So if you confirm only, then you write in the second column. So after that, what is the least one here? So there is no 67. So if you see here, there is 64 here. The next least thing is 64. But you observe very carefully, that is the 64 is repeated for 3 times here. So 64 is repeated for 3 times here. So this is 64 and this is a 64 and this is a 64. So here, and the next one here is 75 is repeated. So 75 is also repeated. So this for 2 times here. Clear? So if you observe this one, so already I have given till 4th rank. So this will be 5, this is a 6 and this value will be 7. See here, so among 5, 6, 7 you have to take an average, and next we have to post it there. So this will be 5 plus 6 plus 7 by, so there are 3 equal ranks here. So this will be 11 plus 7, 18 by 3. So 18 by 3 will be 6. So now we have to share 6, the rank 6 among these equal ranks. So this is 6, this is 6 and this is 6. Clear? And next after 64, what is the least grade we have? So here after 66, all the 6 are completed, you have to go with 5. So here till 7 it is completed. So the next value here is 8th rank. So this is 8th rank. And the next 55 after this is 50. So this one is 50. So this will be 9th rank. And the next one here, the least rank here is the 10th rank. So here clear. Next one after 7, this is 8 and this value is 9 and see here the 10th rank is here, so all are filled here. So please concentrate that the highest rank is 1. And next after 80, so we got 75. This is 2 and this is 3. Among these two you have to take an average, that is 2 plus 3 by 2, it is shared. The average value rank is shared, that is 2.5, 2.5 till 3 it is completed. The next value will be 4 and the next value will be 5, 5, 6 and 7. So we got equal ranks here. So among 5, 6 and 7 we have to take an average, 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3, so which is equal to 6. So we have to give 6 as a common rank here, and after 6 you have to go with 8. So next number here, least number is 8, and the next least number here is 9 here, this is 50, and 10th rank here is 40. So you have to use your pencil so that you can erase. After confirmation only you have to write it in the rank X column. And the next one, coming to the Y series. So what is the highest number here? This is 6, 5, 6, 4, 8, 6, 6, 4, 5, 7. So among this 8 value here will be the highest grade here. Please make it as a rank 1. You have confirmed that there is no 81 repeated, so write as rank 1 here. And the next one among 7s, so this is only 7 here, so name it as 2, and 70 is not repeated, check whether it is repeated or not, so this will be confirmed with rank 2. And the next one going with 6, so here there is 6, here there is 6, here there is 6, and here there is 6. So if you observe here, among 6 is 68. Check whether there is any 68. There is 68 here, and here 1, 2 ranks are completed. So you have to, this is 3 and this is 4, and you have to take an average rank out of this, and you have to name this one. So this is 3 plus 4. See here, this is 3 plus 4. Among 2 ranks it is repeated. This is 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. And therefore you have to give an average rank as a 3.5. This is 3.5 and this value is 3.5. And after 68, what is the least rank here? So check with 6 here. So there is 6 here and again 6 here. So after 4, this will be 5 and this will be 6th rank. See here, 5 and 6th rank are also confirmed and there is no repetition. This is the 5th rank and this is the 6th rank. And after 60, go with the this one. See, go with 50s. So here is 58. After 6th rank, this will be the 7th rank here. Clear? So this is the 7th rank and 58. And after 58, go with 50s. So there is a 5 here. So this is 8th rank here. So here confirm that there is no repetition here. So this value is 8. So this is the 8th rank here, and after 50s go with 40s. So there is 48 and confirm this rank with 9th rank here. So this is 9th after 48 and this value will be 9 and this value is 10. So this value is 9th rank and this value will be the 10th rank. Please spend some quality time here so that you will be getting a clear clarity on the repeated ranks here. So here 68 is also repeated for 2 times, and here if you observe this one, this is 75 is also repeated. So here are the ranks, and the next thing is so simple. We have to make a difference here. This is 4 minus 5, the value here is minus 1. Clear? 6 minus 7, the value here is minus 1. 2.5 minus 3.5, the value here is minus 1. 9 minus 10, the value here is minus 1. 6 minus 1, the value here is 5. And next one, 1 minus 6, the value here is minus 5. 2.5 minus 3.5, the value here is minus 1. 10 minus 1, the value here is 1. 8 minus 8, the value here is 0. 6 minus 2, the value here is 4. And therefore you have to make a squares out of this. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 square, this is 1, 1, 1. 5 square, this value is 25. This is 25. This value is 1. This value is 1. This is 0. And see here, this value is 16. And now we have to add the d square column here. So be very careful. So this will be around 75, 72. So this is sigma d square value is 72 here, and therefore you have to check how many numbers are repeated here. In the X series, 64 is repeated. 64 is repeated for 1, 2, 3. This value is repeated for 3 times, and next one 75 is repeated for 2 times, and next one in the Y series 68 is repeated for 2 times. So here the M values are ready here. So if you observe, these are all the M values here. So this is 3 times, 2 times and 2 times. And now we have a formula of Spearman ready here, that is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times of d square plus this is m cube minus m by 12, and this is m cube minus m by 12 plus and so on. So there are three items here, 1, 2, 3, and you have to extend this one, that is m cube minus m by 12 by n cube minus n. So what is the n value here? N is the number of observations, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here the n value is equal to, see here, n value is equal to here 10. So all the values are ready here. I'm going to substitute in the row. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient formula is also ready. Rho is equal to, this is 1 minus 6 into d square value is ready as a 72. Clear? Plus the repeated value here is 3. That will be 3 cube minus 3 by 12. And the next repeated value here 75 for 2 times. This will be 2 cube minus 2 by 12. And the next repeated value is 68 for 2 times. This is 2 cube minus 2 by 12. See here, divided by. So this is divided by n cube. What is n cube here? 10 cube. This is 1000 minus this value is 10. So see here, the rho value is equal to 1 minus, this is a 6 into 72 minus, this is 27 minus 3 divided by 12, and this value is 2 cube, 8 minus 2 by 12, and this value is 8 minus 2 by 12 divided by 1000 minus 10 is nothing but 990. So this value is 990. So here the rho value is equal to 1 minus, so this is 6 2s are 12 minus this is 42. So this value will 42 plus 1, the value here is 43 minus this is 24 by 12. So here there is an addition here. 24 by 12 plus this is a 6 by 12, and this value is a 6 by 12 by this value is 990. So if I cancel this, this will be for 2 times, this will be for half time, and this will be for half time. Rho is equal to 1 minus 432 plus 2 plus this value is half plus half by this value is 990. So rho value is equal to 1 minus 432 plus 2, half plus half value is 1 by this value is 990. So here rho is equal to 1 minus 432 plus 3 by this value is 990. So rho is equal to 1 minus 435 by the value here is 990. So I am going to use the calci here. So this is 435 divided by this value is 990. So this is into minus 1 plus 1. The value here is, the rho value here is, this is 0.56. So this is how we have to calculate the rank correlation coefficient using the equal ranks. So the formula is also very clear. So you have to spend some time in posting the ranks here. So the repeated ranks are circled here. So first you have to use a pencil here for easy correction here, and after confirmation only you have to post here in the second column, and if you do so the time will be saved and you'll be getting an exact answer. And this is a shortcut which I have given. So the formula is very easy. So here is the formula, and here n is the number of observations. These are all the m values. The repeated rank values are the m values, and this is sigma d square. And after getting all these, you have to substitute and you have to use your calci and you have to post it in the formula, and so that you will be getting a correct exact answer. So your score will be more if you follow these videos. So in my next video also I'm going to share one important problem here regarding these series, and there ends this chapter, and the next chapter will be on regressions. Please do watch my playlist. If you really like, please pass it on to as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed from your side, and support this channel. Thank you so much for staying and staying and learning till today. Thank you so much.